just bodies to hide under the ground. We're not the flowers to cut, so you look lovely. You can't just do what you want without the consequence. Artsy hands.
Hey everyone, it's me Max Rainbow and I'm back for another video. So today I am doing another fun look. I don't know really how I would describe this. It's just some like clown. Just wanted to do like a quick beat. Like this only took me like an hour to do. Very fast, very easy, simple, quick. Just wanted to play with makeup and do something different. So if you want to see how to get this look, keep on watching. First, I am starting off with a blank white base. If you would like to see how I achieve this, you can click the card in the top right corner. Then I am going in with Apple Red Blush from MAC on the apples of my cheeks. Now I'm not doing this in a regular circle shape like I did last time. I'm putting the most concentration of color on the apples of my cheeks, and then I am slightly winging it up my cheekbone. Almost like it's a comet falling from the sky or something like that. Then I am going in with a slightly deeper red just to deepen up the center of the apples of my cheeks using the matte red shade from the Morphe 35B palette. I am also taking that color on my nose as well as all around my lips. Then I am going in and contouring my face using the MAC Taupe blush to give myself more of a natural base contour. Then I am using Apple Red Blush to go over my contours and add more color to my face. Now I am going in with the shade Filter from the Lime Crime Venus 2 palette to deepen up the color around my mouth and help aid in the lip color blending in better. Then I am applying the Lime Crime Velveteen in Teacup. Now I am starting on the eyes. I suck at explaining this stuff, but I'm going to try. I am only using one eyeshadow for this look, the black from the Viseart Neutral Mattes palette. I am applying it almost like an extreme halo eye and building that color up.
I wish I had breasts like yours. I don't. Yes, I do. No, you don't. I do. Great, big, large, pendulous breasts. I'd like to fill a bra.
I'm not using any other shadows to help with blending, so just take your time blending as you go and building it up. Now I am applying the NYX Glitter Primer and pressing the Super Glitter's Back in Black glitter to the center part of my eye. I like this glitter because it is really chunky and provides extreme shine. Then I am applying the Super Glitter's Cloudbuster Clear Glitter under my eyes. Now I am just going back in with the red blush and enhancing the red around my lips and extending the outer corners to make more of a smile. Finally, I am finishing it off with some Jeffree Star Skin Frost and Ice Cold all over my face. And that's it, you're done. Alright guys, that is it for my tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you like this video. My name is Max Rainbow and I will see you guys later. Goodbye. Mwah.